Welcome. Today, we are diving into eco-friendly materials for a sustainable home. From bamboo flooring to upcycled decor, we've got you covered. Like, share, subscribe, and hit the bell for updates. Comment below with your favorite idea. Let's start with flooring your home's foundation. Discover top eco-friendly options like bamboo and reclaimed wood to elevate your space. Eco-friendly flooring like bamboo, cork, and reclaimed wood. Bamboo is a fast-growing, sustainable alternative to hardwood floors that adds elegance to any room. Cork flooring is renewable, soft underfoot, and naturally insulating, making it perfect for eco-conscious homes. Reclaimed wood flooring brings a rustic charm while reducing waste and conserving natural resources. Natural stone like slate and travertine provides a timeless, durable flooring option that's kind to the planet. Check out the top-rated bamboo flooring options on Amazon, eco-friendly, durable, and perfect for your space. Bamboo panels and clay plaster for natural walls. Clay plaster is a natural, breathable material that improves indoor air quality while adding earthy texture to walls. Bamboo panels are a versatile and sustainable way to create striking, eco-friendly wall partitions. Recycled gypsum boards offer a sustainable alternative for partitioning while minimizing environmental impact. Natural wallpapers made from grass cloth or recycled paper bring a green touch to your walls with eco-friendly materials. Do you believe sustainable materials are the key to eco-friendly design in the future? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Reclaimed wood and recycled metal for green decor. FSC certified wood ensures your furniture is sustainably sourced, supporting forest conservation efforts. Reclaimed wood furniture reduces waste and adds unique character with a timeless, eco-friendly appeal. Upcycled pallet wood is perfect for crafting functional, rustic furniture while reducing waste. Recycled plastic furniture offers durability and sustainability, giving waste a second life in your home. LED lights and upcycled glass lamps. LED lighting fixtures. LED lights are energy efficient, long-lasting, and reduce your carbon footprint, making them an eco-friendly lighting option. Solar-powered lights harness the sun's energy to provide sustainable outdoor illumination without impacting your electric bill. Recycled metal chandeliers are a stylish, sustainable lighting choice that reuses scrap metal for a modern, eco-friendly touch. Bamboo lamp bases are a renewable, stylish option that adds a natural touch to your home decor. Looking to make your home eco-friendly without compromising on style? Discover materials like bamboo and cork for flooring that are not just sustainable but also stunning. Plus, did you know reclaimed wood furniture can bring a rustic charm while saving the planet? Stay tuned to explore the best eco-conscious ideas for your dream home. Organic cotton, hemp, and jute rugs. Organic cotton is grown without harmful chemicals, offering a soft, sustainable fabric for bedding and upholstery. Linen is a durable, biodegradable fabric made from flax, perfect for eco-conscious upholstery and textiles. Hemp fabric is strong, sustainable, and ideal for furniture and decor that's kind to both you and the planet. Jute and sisal rugs are natural, biodegradable fibers that provide sustainable, durable flooring options. Transform your home with these elegant recycled glass lampshades, available now on Amazon. VOC-free paints and natural lime wash. VOC-free paints ensure a healthier indoor air quality by eliminating harmful chemicals from your home. Lime wash is a non-toxic, breathable paint that enhances wall surfaces with a matte, natural finish. Clay-based paints provide a sustainable, eco-friendly finish that's free of harsh chemicals and ideal for natural living spaces. Beeswax finish nourishes and protects wood naturally, giving furniture a rich, smooth finish without harmful chemicals. We've covered 6 amazing eco-friendly ideas. Which one caught your attention the most? Like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe to let us know your favorite. Water conservation with smart fixtures. Low-flow faucets reduce water consumption without compromising performance, promoting sustainable water use. Dual-flush toilets offer 2 water-saving options, allowing you to reduce water waste in the bathroom. Touchless faucets prevent unnecessary water waste by automatically shutting off after use. Smart leak detectors identify leaks early, helping you save water and avoid damage to your home. Biophilic design elements. Live Edgewood accents bring nature indoors, adding warmth and organic beauty to your home decor. Indoor plants purify the air and add a green, calming atmosphere, creating a natural connection within your home. Living walls made of moss or ferns transform indoor spaces into vibrant, eco-friendly green sanctuaries. Bamboo and rattan bring natural textures to your decor, embracing biophilic design principles with renewable materials. Thinking of transforming your walls with natural and sustainable options? From clay plaster to bamboo panels, we've got designs that combine beauty and sustainability. And for lighting, upcycled glass lampshades are a creative way to repurpose waste into something spectacular. Let's dive into these exciting eco-friendly solutions. Zero Waste Home Solutions. Modular furniture with replaceable components is designed for longevity, reducing waste and supporting circular living. Reclaimed metal furniture offers a stylish and sustainable way to upcycle materials while reducing the need for new resources. Upcycled decor pieces give discarded materials new life, helping to reduce waste while creating personalized home accents. Recycled plastic composite boards are versatile, eco-friendly materials perfect for furniture and building projects. Eco-friendly waste management. Bamboo composting units are a sustainable solution for turning organic waste into nutrient-rich compost for your garden. Stainless steel containers help you efficiently separate and manage waste in an eco-friendly, durable way. Modular recycling cabinets made from recycled wood provide an organized, sustainable method for sorting recyclables in your home. Eco-friendly trash compactors reduce waste volume, minimizing landfill contributions while keeping your home clean and tidy. Got more sustainable ideas or suggestions? Share them in the comments. Your input we could inspire someone to go eco-friendly. Smart home technologies. Solar panels convert sunlight into renewable energy, reducing your carbon footprint and electricity bills. Programmable thermostats optimize your home's energy use, ensuring efficient heating and cooling while saving energy. Smart home systems made from recycled plastics help minimize waste while improving your home's energy efficiency. Solar-powered charging stations harness the sun's energy to power your devices, reducing reliance on non-renewable energy sources. Hope you enjoyed this. If so, like, share, and subscribe for more. Drop a comment with your favorite eco-friendly idea and press the bell icon for notifications. See you next time.